Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what does a deactive Facebook account look like. So if you decide or want to deactivate your Facebook account, so it's very wise to overview what does the activated Facebook account look like. So it will be like this. There is no profile picture, but your names can be searched. So maybe someone want to search your name, your account. They still can search you, but here if you use a filter show deactivated friends will be like this. There is no profile picture on it on your account, and more or less you can try it. Deactivate your account. Here there is a second choice. Deactivate your account temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photo will be removed from most things that you have shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. You can still use Messenger here, or you can delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the X button below. See you in the next video.